All right. Good morning. Let me do this now. All right, 9 o'clock. Let's do a little top down. I'm going to show you guys something too. All right, go to the daily. Obviously, huge sell-off yesterday with FOMC. The old school Powell put. One thing to take note. Obviously, we're very much in a bullish trend on the daily. As of now, I mean, even with the sell-off, we're still in a bullish trend. The one thing to pay a little bit of attention to is we did get this inverse. So inverses are typically signs of like a reversal. Okay, so we pull back here. We got this little inverse here. Oops, we got this little inverse here. Oh, you know what? Let's go to the weekly first. I want to show you this. So what did we pull back into? And this will make we pull back into this weekly gap. Let me get rid of all these little things here so you can kind of see a little better. Yeah, lots of little boxes there. Oh, I was going to put a stop on this. This was a runner I had going on the short. Anyways, so this weekly gap right here, so this box, so we got the daily candle or weekly candle. There's a gap between this wick and this wick, so that's a fair value gap, and that's a weekly. So this retrace and rebalance this weekly busy right here. Okay. We drop down into the daily. We obviously have this inverse. Do we have an inverse on the weekly? No, we don't. Okay. I already erased it, but we actually rebalanced this daily as well. I already took it off. We did not rebalance this daily gap down here or this daily gap here. Actually, no, that's a daily. Oh man, that's not even there. Oh, Jesus Christ. So this is what happens with rollovers. You gotta like reset here. Oh, so we did rebalance. We did rebalance that daily gap too. All right, so that guy's gone. It's rebalanced, but you could also say this daily gap here is what's holding price up. You could say this weekly gap is what's also holding price up. If we were to really start a downtrend, we would want to see like a pullback on the daily, up here, or even kind of creating like a double top and then something like that. So we want to see a pullback, drop, another pullback, and then shoot the gap. So yeah, no one's getting hooked on that, we're just about to have this massive sell-off and oh my god, the sky's falling. Like, screw that. Maybe that's what they want us to think, I don't know. But I guess I've seen this enough to know that that's not what it is. Alright, so the 4 hour, we have a massive 4 hour imbalance. So this very well could be where price wants to go. and rebalance. Okay, now that's a lot. It's obviously a lot of points to eat up, okay? But that is a massive imbalance there. Can't say that the draw is necessarily there. Bring back to the daily. Yeah, if we lose this, we got also daily low resistance liquidity here. All the way down here. This is an inverse at some price there. So similar kind of deal. Okay, so look at this. This actually gave us a daily inverse. So the sky's falling, big sell-off day, and then grind to newer highs. So gave us an inverse, big sell-off, possible grind. So what this did, that what I'm estimating if we do really start to sell off, is that this gave the bounce, but it never came back. Now, if this would have, gone from here, bounce, retraced up here, double top, whatever, anywhere in this area here, gave this, gave that, and then that, yeah, the selling party's on. But obviously it didn't do that. All right, so let's go back. So we know the 4 hour. We see that. We got about an hour left in this 4 hour. It's trying to create a 4 hour busy here. I know the 1 hour. Okay, so we got another 1 hour. We got another 1 hour busy. So right here. So bullish structure is being supported. Where am I? I believe that did retrace to. I'll show you in a minute. All right, so 1 hour busy, another 1 hour busy here. Man, that might have been our test. $15-minute busy was not inverse. This 15 minutes still holding, as well as this 1 hour now. That may be enough to push price higher. And on this, this up move from here, that just retraced to almost 60%, hit equilibrium, going right below it, almost to 60%. So this could be just a little pullback to send price higher. New York Open is here. I can tell you right now, NASDAQ's going to go how S is going to go. And when S gets heavy, man, NAS just literally flushes. So NAS is definitely the lagger of yesterday as well. Acting today in a similar way. Alright, I don't really want that on that. A lot going on in this chart here. Yeah, put you on my mind. So bullish structure being supported. The other thing to take note of is after we swept this area here again, we respected these lows so far. I thought we might want to come back and get these lows and maybe sweep this LR here. So I had a short on based on the 5 minute up here. Took half of it off. at equilibrium of that trade. Then I had the other half for a runner, but it came back and got me. Which is fine, you know, that's what they're there for. Little, I don't know, $400 or $500 realized on that, so nice little jab. What are we trying to do, Nas? What are you trying to do? I know Nas left liquidity up here. Definitely left 5-minute liquidity up here. So it did not sweep up here. Came pretty damn. I know S swept it. S swept it. Similar to yesterday with my runner when S. You know, I called it out before it happened. I was like, man, if S sweeps and rolls over, you know, we're in trouble with that runner. And we were. I mean, we were up a couple grand. And, yeah, got SMT'd. I don't really... I mean, okay, so we're supporting bullish structure. Really, man, love that tap back into that hourly there. And this 15-minute holding. That might have been our long there. But yeah. And if the draw is at least to this CE of this 4 hour, which is, fuck, that's it. I mean, it's like, you know, it's almost 300 points, 250 points or so. Could be an interesting freaking morning. I don't know, I'm really kind of expecting this to be a little volatile. What do we got? We had jobless claims at 8:30. Didn't really do much. And GDP. 10 o'clock, we got existing home sales and economic indicators. What would I love? I'd love a retrace down into here. I love a retrace down into here. Wow, when it does that, so it sweeps this, creates a 5-minute fair value gap. I mean, this is what I would love. A 5-minute fair value gap, along with a 1 minute, inverse them to send price higher. Yeah, because why don't I want to take this long? I don't really want to take this long because we didn't really do a sweep. So we're kind of like, you know, we're taking along in the middle of no man's land. It's not no man's land because there's a 1 hour, there's bullish structure to support, but can't exactly put your hand against the wall and say, this is where I'm wrong. Not only that, but, you know, if we do, so price, once it sweeps liquidity, it typically likes to turn, right? especially on a 15 minute. So the 15 minutes been basically accumulating, you know, and kind of grinding up as opposed to like expanding, coming back, what am I calling it? Rebalancing, and then, you know, continuing on. But yesterday was a bit of a grind up until FOMC, so maybe yesterday is a bad example. So like kind of like these moves, like swept this liquidity, price swept some other liquidity, and then returns to the other side. After sweeping this liquidity, grinds up, creates a little swing. This is part of the accumulation leading into FOMC. So let's do some other examples here. Not so grindy price action with big news coming up. Okay, so these lows are here. This is a high, goes up, takes this high, creates a swing low, retakes this. So high, comes back for the low, that's not all it wants. Comes back for this, that's not all it wants. Comes down to this. So once we get a sweep, and I don't know what sweep this was. Oh, this was that, yeah, this was a great trade. Once we get there, so once it takes out this swing, now it goes back to the other side, takes out this high, takes out this high. Once it takes out that high, what's it going to do? So right now, there's no real swing low, so it creates liquidity. It creates liquidity, comes up, goes back, sweeps it, takes out the longs to go long, takes out the shorts here, comes back, creates more liquidity, takes out this long, takes out this low, creates a new high, takes out that low, we take out that high. So we're taking shorts out, taking longs out, taking shorts out, taking longs out. Man. Man, oh man, oh man, I think that might have been our long, guys. This thing is still resisting New York Open. I mean, Jesus, 60 points. 60 points from the CE of that 1 hour. Right smack dab in the middle. Can't say these things don't mean something. Minute is resistance. I'll be watching this 15-minute up here as well. So what's the equilibrium of this move here? So equilibrium is 809. watching this part, this 15-minute up here. I think shorts will be more active up here. Definitely more active up there. All right, bear back, use bathroom. All right. Man, I totally screwed that up on the frickin'. Gosh dang, I tried to make it shorter so it wasn't such a long, and I totally cut out the good part and gave the boring part. Alright, I'm just gonna delete that, I guess, because it's just way too much info and it's a lot of down. I hate it when I gotta figure out how to do that editor thing better. I just totally jacked up a video I did from yesterday. Damn it. Man, I really think. I guess I was right. Man. I'm expecting this to be volatile, so I am definitely wanted to be picky here. All right. So is this our manipulation here? Is this our manipulation? I think it might possibly be. I really should have hit that when I thought it was. I was waiting to see if it was going to give me one more dip down in this 15. So we are taking that liquidity. S is making new highs. Let's see if S can pump here. I'm also concerned that it might be manipulation up here to go lower. So I'm a little torn, I'm not gonna lie. So I might just scalp. I'm just gonna scalp that. Take a little 500 bucks or whatever. Because I now know that NASDAQ sweeping this. Let's take a look. We don't have any 5-minute structure. Might have been a little. Should have probably held that at least to see if it was going to clear here. Probably go break even on it is what I probably really should have done. That's something. Not gonna lie, I was a little scared there. A little scared. Because remember I said this is the area that I wanted to watch. But I'm not certain on anything, so right back to where our entry was. So this might have been the manipulation here to go lower. Maybe that was just an inducement for longs. Bullish PD rays are still very much in control. I just don't know if they can take out this 15. This is what we created. to go higher here? What are you trying to do, buddy? I'm going to go a little short here. I'm just scalping here, so this is a break-even stop. I don't really have a definitive draw on what this wants to do here. See if I can catch a little kind of, yep, it takes me out, that's fine. Nice push down, let's see, I don't know. So S is pushing and NASDAQ is failing to expand. Now they were synced up just a few minutes ago. Who's lying? Let's see if we can, if Nas can get up and catch the S train here. No, doesn't appear so. Alright, Nas is heavy. Alright, so that short appeared to be good. Now we're coming back into our 15-minute and our busy down here. Our 15-minute. Does it want to do a sweep? Wow, total divergence. That's hanging at new highs. Nas trying to make new lows. But maybe Nas wants to sweep this. Maybe if Nas can sweep this. What time is it? 37? Yeah, I don't really feel too comfortable there. Alright, S is trying to come down now, so this Nas could flush here. Yep, small size, man. I'm doing small size today. Or half size, I guess you could say. Alright, so maybe Nas wants to sweep, so it's 561. Let's see if I'll go 562. 563. I'll be a 563. Yeah, I'm just trying to scalp here. Just trying to do a little scalpy scalp. Could very well pivot from here. I was just trying to pick out a point of liquidity for it to take. Which is this 15-minute swing low down here. Plan on building into it. There we go. Let's see if we can get this move here. I know this is a tiny civvy, but I'll be giving this trade maybe another 30 seconds to move away from this here. This is trying to hold. See if we get another little dump skis from NAS. Take out some liquidity. That's what we're hoping for here. That's the play we're kind of working with. Might have been just a form of inducement here. If they leave that, I mean, this definitely is going to go higher. No. Damn, this is trying to bounce. Come on, baby. Let's see if we can go to target. Oh man, I was just about to put it at break even stop. Fucker. God almighty. Damn it. Alright, flat. Let me take it up here. God, I don't know if you saw that. I was literally just about to move it. I was literally in the process of moving it. Let's see if we get this inverse. 942 here. Waiting for a close here. If we get a close, I will send another. Oh shit, that didn't get filled. That whole time I thought I was in. Because I can put you on my mind. So we got to close. It's kind of stalling here. Yeah. now. She's chopping me up. Chopping me up. No direction yet. Yeah. Fuck me, getting chopped up. Let's see if she can hold these lows. I don't think so. So I got the inverse that I wanted up here, but now we're back at the low, so this would be my last attempt here. She's definitely pulling a little bit of a hootenanny here. I'm not really. Come on, baby. So here I'm down about 4,500 bucks, or no, yeah, around there, somewhere around there. So I got clipped pretty hard there. Bullish structure still holding. Yeah, man, I totally screwed my sizing up too, because I mean, that was like a 70-point drop. Remember I said I was going to go half size? Yeah, didn't do that. Trading the candles like I normally trade them, but I didn't really, forgot that we're just so much more volatile right now. Oh man, I tried to get filled there on 2 and I did not get filled. That absolutely sucks. That's a good sign for longs, but wasn't necessarily for me. So bullish structure still intact. The only thing that weirds me out a little bit is we left this liquidity down here. And I would guess the reason why we did that is because of S. Because S is strong. SPY, whatever you want to call it. NASDAQ still the lagger here. Let's see if I can. Yeah, this is quick, man. I mean, look at these candles. That's a 30-point candle. on the 1 minute. So yeah, totally jacked myself just based on that, on sizing. So definitely starting in the hole today based on a mental error. Man, I'm really not a fan of this price action right now. I do like this area, but the fact that we're not expanding, 950, no definitive move. This could be a version of search and destroy. I don't know why we would do search and destroy unless we're literally just trying to create more liquidity, which we very well could be doing. But yeah, just like if we lose these lows, I'm out. And this liquidity is just, it's like, so S is trying to come in now. So yeah, I'm gonna get flat. I'm just not trusting it. This isn't the kind of price action I want to see. With S getting heavy, now S is getting heavy and NASDAQ isn't flushing. I would have expected NASDAQ to really kind of flush off that move, but NAS really seems to want to hold here. We do have this liquidity here. Yeah, this is definitely not A plus at all. I thought we had an A plus setup, but well, technically it's still holding. The entire setup is still holding, but with S coming down the way that it is, I'm just not very trusting, and I oversized, started in the hole, so yeah, I have to be a bit of extra caution here. I still want to see a sweep down here, that's why. Yeah, I know, that's totally my mistake. Man. Let's try it one more time. Still holding bullish structure. Really holding bullish structure. Still holding that hourly. Did inverse this hourly. Being tricky, man. Come on. Being a little tricky here. It's really trying to hold this, but I think that's just almost like suspect, just suspect. Yeah, she's got me sketched out. So our setup is still in play, but we're getting different signals here because went up, we closed over. We're still holding this low without a candle close above, so that's what's keeping our setup intact. And then we got this other inverse closed over. So yeah, I mean, I still want to believe in the longs. I really do here. just remember this liquidity. That's the thing that kind of sketched me out. I thought they wanted. Okay, S just gave us a big dump. Man, the candles are crazy, bro. I was like at 20. That's 20 points. 20 points. About to give us 30 in a candle. Yeah, wait for a candle close. See if we get it. I think we're gonna get it. It's gonna stop us out. Yeah, I'll stop out. Yeah, man. So here's the liquidity. So we did sweep that. Damn, that's frustrating. Yeah, I just brain farted. All right, so we got a sweep. We got the sweep. Oh man, okay. So that was the sweep. Did S sweep? No, S did not sweep that. So if NAS can really start to pump now, this could be the long area. It's gonna give us a little inversion here, it looks like. I wonder if this would be the one to catapult it higher. Finally. Yeah, I mean, I'm fighting to pull teeth. My setup just got invalidated, so. Do I think this could be a raid? Possibly. Yeah, I just don't necessarily want to trade this kind of volatility without it being A plus. And I'm already down, so I don't want to make this a fucking disaster, if you know what I mean. And with these kind of moves, yeah, we definitely, and we're getting 30, 50 point moves, 60 point moves in 2 candles. Okay, that is a close. Yep. It's really kind of crazy. It doesn't look like it's moving a whole lot, but it's just so wide. It's so fast when it does move. Yeah, do I still like longs? I still like longs. But don't like this downtrend that we're really kind of shaping up here for longs. Remember that 15 minute of here that we liked? That held to go sweep this. don't. Let's see if they can break that. We're 953 prime, 953 prime up there. We could toss on a short here to try it. Where's midnight? Midnight dollar to price back down to TDO. I don't know, man. This might be my last one and just take a break on this one today, because if not, I'm gonna get the tilty here. If I'm getting tilty, I just need to walk away. So we did close the 1 hour busy. So bullish structure has been invalidated on the 1 hour. So that's the second one. So we could be in the middle of a shift here. That would go along my theory with this 15-minute up here to go sweep liquidity. TDO, so where are you trying to go? We got some good over there. We got a big 1 minute busy here. That's a sweep there. You know what? Let's see. All right, I'll go break even stop on that guy. Not getting any kind of real continuation. That's a lot of speed right there. Yep, so break even stop. Do I want to slap it again? I don't know. We just did a sweep. We got no... Besides that, there's no real civvy to support a shift to go higher. It's just me. Just do this grind. Yeah. So the problem with this, it's like I like, especially in the morning, I prefer like the expansion moves, and we're not getting expansion like this. I'm not like a true scalper in a sense. That's not how I make my money. Like that would have been perfect for a scalp. Like even possibly taking this again for another down move here, perfect for a scalp. Yeah, you're 100% correct. Why do I like it? Because I don't see any structure to support or for this to turn yet. But no. No, man, it's gonna be a long day. I'm gonna have to just chip away. Yeah, I'm not gonna be. Hell no, gonna be able to get back in one trade. If anything, just try to manage risk as best as possible after my bonehead fucking stupid shit this morning. And I literally said it. I was like, I'm gonna go half size because it's so volatile, and then literally just went back right originally to my original size, and I mean, one candle, 60 points. Yeah, it got me good. All right, let's see if we midnight is at 84. Let's go. I'll go 500. We're getting a little bit of continuation here. I want to see if I can get to midnight. We do have this other 1 hour, so we have we've got some headwind against us here. Normally I would probably love to add here. No, not exactly in a position to maximize my gains right now. And because of shit like that. Look at that. Oh, God. Wow, man, nice bounce. Yeah, man, you just gotta be careful. Days like today. Now here's the funny thing. That's 50 points that we basically have in the bag here. Now I'm going for about 70 or so to get back to reprice back to midnight. But I did say this hourly right here, this green box, that's a 1 hour busy. So we do have some headwind in front of us. Let's see if I can. Might take 2 drives, might take 3 drives. So no other 5-minute structure to support any kind of reversal. Man, that hourly might have been our target. should have collapsed that at that 1 hour. Put in my stop, break even. So if it comes back and gets me, it comes back and gets me. Just don't want to compound the losses. Probably, if anything, I should have taken. I'm gonna move this up. So if it comes back here, it'll at least get me. Yeah, I think it's gonna come back. That looks pretty strong. Yep, came back, got me. Still in this trend up here. Yeah. So I'm watching this civvy here. So I didn't take any losses on the last one. I may take a small one here. Did it close? Yeah, it closed. All right. So yeah. So that's 2 trades and 3 trades. No wins. Had wins. I was a scalper. Fuck. Definitely should have taken that one going in this 1 hour. Man. This still looks like it's trying to hold. So this is... Yeah, she's got me scrambling a little bit, man. This is not looking good. So is she breaking that channel? Yeah, she's breaking out. All right. Not breaking out, but just breaking, appears to be breaking this trend. Back to 953. She's just so volatile. God damn it. No 5-minute structure. Yeah, I could definitely trade him in Q. Man, oh 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 man. There are good days, there are bad days. So far, I've started this one in the hole. So, 953. Nice fucking bounce right off of our Jesus Christ, man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. It's got me shook. Alright, I'm gonna try this once again from up here. And I know I just have to be patient because I mean, number one, the volatility is pretty damn big. I mean, these moves are pretty damn incredible. But at the same time, I just have to, I know if I can be on the right side of expansion when it comes. So I just have to stay patient and not dig too far into the emotion. Like I know I can get it out of this and make 2 trades. I'm gonna have to grind the day out today. Bounced off the 953 right here. So this 1 hour's attempting to hold. This 15-minute was an inversion, so we are respecting that. We could say that once we tap there, did we give them a different model? See, no, because it never really displaced. This just grinded. This 953, I want to see this fail. Ba-da-dum bum 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 bum. Ba-da-dum bum 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 bum. Alright, so we did get an inverse here, but we really need to lose 953. Nice bounce off 953. That's not looking good. Looking good for bulls, not for bears right now. So we did do a candle close above on the macro. All this is got no 5-minute structure. Not a whole lot to go off here, man. I mean, I'm respecting this 15-minute inverse. I'm somewhat respecting this hourly to make sure that I close on the hourly. Yeah, it did. So we're still trying to turn the bullish into bearish. Just trying to stay patient and not overly aggressive or not normal size. God, it's wild to get this kind of price action and like not have like a big expansion. Man, these camels. These guys. This is no joke. No joke right now. I guess the other area I would probably look for a short will be back up here at New York Open. We got the inversion. Let's see if we can send this to the other side, man. Let's go. Come on, 953, give it up. All right, we got to close below it. All right, I'm going to add on that close below. See if we can send price lower here. I'm going to go, God, the volatility is so nasty. You have to go so much range. All right, I'm going to go break even stop, though. I can rejoin the short. All right, cool. Yeah, it's just so that, I mean, that I have to stop because, I mean, these candles are no joke, and it can get away from you really, really quickly. All right, there we go. Add one more again. Let's see if we can get further displacement. I'm at 531 for my first target. Come on, baby, don't do me dirty. You're so volatile, you know you can at least just... Five, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Come on, drop 3 4s. I'm at 3 1. Yeah, being a dick for a tick. What's S doing? S is coming in. Come on. Yep, that missed me by 3 points or so. Come on, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's going to do me dirty here. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty. No, we got 40 points in the bank here, but I haven't taken any. So we got this civvy here. Is she gonna do me dirty or not? Looking like she's gonna do me dirty. Come on, slam it. 10 points away from first target. Next target's going to be TDO down at 8.4. That would be another 60 points or so. So, yeah, I don't blame you. If you took, yeah. If you took it, yeah. I'm being a little stubborn here. Man. Man, this guy's dirty, bro. Dirty. Another 30-point candle. This is no joke. Wow. That's why you got. That's why I have to stop. Because they can get away from me so quickly. Now, at the same time, me knowing that, that's also why I didn't want to take my profit or take first target early. Oh shit, my bad, dude. Here. I always forget to do that. Come on. All right, we got to fill. Come on, let's flush fucking 60 points. Come on. Come on. Come on, motherfucker, come on. Taking quarter day. If we get below this, I mean, I think we can actually break even lower. Come on. Deliver. I'm not, if this comes back, I'm not going to give all this away. So I will at least be taking about $1,000 in the bank here. Worst case scenario. Yep, alright, it just took me. That's fine. Okay, halfway there. Halfway there. Alright, let's kind of reassess here. We closed over this hourly. So, continuing to disrespect the bullish raise. Was a nice trade. Nice trade. Take a breath. Take a breath. I still think TDO is a target. I just, the way this price is moving, it might run it right here. It might run it. Yeah, fucker. Damn you. There's midnight, there's TDO. So, yeah, a little different perspective. I mean, in that particular setup, would I like to add it more and, you know, added another account? Yeah. But with the volatility the way that it is and being down, yeah, I mean, I care more about managing my risk and not, you know, I was gonna say blow up, but yeah, I mean, because with this kind of, I mean, it's very, it's so you can easily do that, easily do that. So even if I have a down day, I mean, down days are gonna happen. It's just how bad of a down day. So like, well, let's see. Do we have any other kind of? Yeah, I still like shorts. It's just I wasn't able to put on enough pieces here, but you know, going back to what we were talking about earlier with this, you know, this original downtrend, we'd like that, but then when it broke, and then we chose to get back, we chose to re-enter back up here, and then we also had a plan to re-enter back up here in New York Open, and most of that is based off of higher time frame structure and how this shifted up here, and it started to disrespect the bullish higher time frame PD arrays. It's just that I wasn't really able to put on enough size because of the volatility and because of being down and managing risk. But, you know, if I'd have been wiser and maybe a little bit more present from this morning and not being down, you know, 5 Gs, yeah, I would have been a little bit more aggressive. But now I am, like I said, I'm gonna have to grind out the day. And I know, like I said, I know, we're on the right side of an expansion like we were there. If I'm able to do that again, we're back to break even. So we can get it back in 2 trades. I know if I can make it in 2 trades, I can get it back in 2 trades. Just have to be patient. Put you on my mind. Do I still think you can go to this 440 area. I think that's what they're maybe targeting here. I really do. It's just that at this point, like, where could we enter? We could possibly go off of this 5-minute if we get a retest of that. This is looking heavy. It's looking heavy. It's about 30 points away. 30 points away. Do I want it? Nope, I'm not going to do it. So that's those little demons you got to fight. So yeah, we picked back up a couple grand there. Okay, TDO's holding. Is there any other structure along the TDO here? No. Got loaded open TDO. No. Oh, here's our kiss back into that 5. Although that was a really nice bounce off TDO. So we got that one. If we inverse that one, then we have this on all the way up here. No 15-minute. Did close over this hourly. Hold on, let me make sure we got a close on that. No, we did not get a close on that. 20 minutes left for that to close. That's a nice soup off of TDO. That was a fucking 50 point. Look at this, man. Yeah, this shit is no joke. That candle is 43 points in one 1-minute candle. Let's see if we get a close. We can close back below TDO to target these 15-minute lows. This 440 area. I would contemplate an add. And I know that if we do that, I gotta stop. What do I have to stop? I was thinking about the result. I want to stay present in the trade and not trade the result. That's where helps keep the emotion out of it. Not worrying about the outcome, just trading the trade. Um, 1034 is holding right now. Okay, nice. Let's see if we can get. Come on, give us some shoving. Shove it. A little pop, shove it. You know what? I won't add. It's way too close. If we're gonna get this, let's just get it with one. Again, this volatility is just so volatile that I just can't take the size that I would normally want to take. Man, makes me, that's holding TDO, still kind of holding this area. Really want to see midnight TDO get taken here, because this could certainly pivot from here and definitely move up. If I had two on there, I would definitely be taking one at that test of TDO. Again, just managing risk. I'll stop. Yeah, no, I stopped break even. Because if it's not going to displace through TDO, this could definitely pump. Like if that wasn't going to be the move to go down there, then yeah, I will... This may not be the area that I really wanted to rebalance. So to rebalance this one now. Yeah, I know. I almost had another $1,000 back there. That's not really the target that I wanted, though. And like I said, I'm not really a scalper. It's like, let's see if we can get back into this. So we see how it's going to react up there. This 5 minutes there. We rejected from here before. Yeah, I do want to put another one on here just because I like this area. All right, let's try it again. I think it's risky, personally, right here. I'd like to see this higher up in here. And it doesn't look like much, man, but that's almost 40 points from there to there. That's kind of why I really wanted that. I'm really kind of tempted to take this off just because after I just said that. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. This goes without me. That's fine. But I'm gonna wait. I'm just, like I said, managing risk here. Trying to be as patient as I can. At the same time, if they don't, well now they, yeah, you know what? They've been really leaving liquidity. That's a 5 minute, that could give us a 5 minute inverse. Hmm. It might work. The short still might work. $10.50 macro is about to start. So we've gotten back, I don't know. So we're down, what, about $2,500, $3,000, something like that, plus or minus. We were down about 45, 5,500, I believe. I like this. I like this. I do like this. I can make a case for both the long and the short here, though. That's my kind of my problem here. No, we did not inverse this, did we? No, we did not. I think I like the short more than I like the long. The fact that there is liquidity here that we haven't taken. So if we really do want to go higher, we can go get this and then do that. I could wait for that. So yeah, if there were a trade that I'd probably be really waiting on is to see what if we get some structure after taking out this liquidity here. This 438 level. Two minutes left on this 5. Yeah, I could make it. Okay, that was a nice push out of that 5 right there. With a minute, 2 minutes left. Decent area here for a long man. Okay, I like that push. We're definitely out of the 5. Let's see if they slam it from up here again. Cause I can push you up, Nice push. Yep, I like that for the longs for sure. We got the close over this inverse. Man, getting long at midnight was nice. So good, no short. All right, 1050 is starting. Let's see what the macro wants to do here. We've been leaving. We left all these, came back and got those. So this could very well be a reversal for higher. What would we be targeting? We'd be targeting 631s for sure. The fact that we're above TDO, I like for longs. I did like this, still like this short on that 5. Man, instant rejection from that 5. Man, really rejected that. Damn, took my eye off that. I don't know if that's going to displace, though. Shit, look at that, man. That's 40-point candle rejection off of that 5-minute civvy that we were talking. 5-minute civvy that we were talking about. Wowzers. And it's so funny because price looks so slow. Damn, man. Remember I said not this one, but this one? Shit. Let's see if we can get a little bounce here. Let me get a little bounce here. See if we can hold this kind of like this trend line that it's been holding. I mean, that's 36, so that'll be see if I can. I'm just looking for a little scalp here. Looking for a little scalp. I'll go break even. See if this can bounce back up. Nope, it tried. See, not a scalper. So this is holding this, but this like this has to break. For shorts to work, this has to break. Let's say I'm gonna put a short on, see if it can break. I still kind of like the long from here. See, this is me not being patient, trying to scalp. Yeah, I'll wait, see if we can get a retest back up here. Because if I really want to short, then I would wait for that 2 break and then get some sort of retest to go short, not anticipating the break. If anything, we could stay long until it breaks because it's still a long, at least back into this area. But I think that's more risky because I am leaning towards. Let's see if we can get a break here. Okay. Okay, I'll start a short. Let's see if it can give us a little pullback. So oh man, you just gotta be careful. This fucking candles get so fucking explosive. All right, so let's see if we can go back to TDO. Let's see if we can break through TDO. We are still in this macro. Come on. Give us some expansion. Let's get some continuation. So now I want this 5 minute, this SIBI over here to be, I want a candle close back over that. But that was a hell of a push down and a hell of a push back up. Ay, ay, ay. Damn it, kind of got myself into something here. Got myself into something here. So they just reclaimed. Damn, I may end up giving back that 2Gs here on this. Because now I'm in it. Let's see if I can work myself out of it here. Because I did not anticipate that. I thought for sure that was going to really start to close that, and it only had like a couple minutes left. But that is definitely showing. These candles are furious. Furious candles. If we get another furious candle here to the upside, I'm going to give back the 2 Gs that I just got back. Tempted to take this off break even here. Yep. Man, look at that shove. Just, I'm anticipating, and this is why I'm kind of hesitating to take this off. Let's see if we can get a close on this. Nine seconds left. Come on, see if, okay, we gotta close. Let's see if we can deliver. Can we deliver? Are you ready to deliver? Can we deliver? Can we deliver? Should I be scalping? Anybody else good at scalping? Should I be scalping? Should I take some? No, I'm expecting delivery here. That's what I want. Should I be scalping? Should I be scalping? Man. 25-point pops are nothing. Yeah, I know, but I know that if I take off 1,000 here, I'm only down, you know, what is it, maybe $1,500 or so. But that again, I don't want to think about the result. I want to just focus on the trade. Because I want delivery. 1034 still holding. Can we break 1034? That's right here. 1034. 1034, then TDO, then go. Then go. Then go to 36s. Yes, I could certainly take some off here with TDO. TDO could soup again. Come on, TDO, lose it. Let's 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 fucking lose it. Get out of your mind. Get out of your mind. I'm not being greedy. All right, I'll take one there. I'll take $1,000 off there. Because if we deliver, you got me thinking about the result, Eric. Yeah, we get this trade, we'll flip green on the day. Freaking lose it. Get out of your mind. Get out of your mind. Get out of your mind. Yes. If I were to take all of that right there, would we be green on the day? Or would we break even for sure? But like I said, man, two trades. Let's see if we can deliver here. See if we can deliver, see if it's ready. I think it's going to wait till after the macro, possibly. That's what I think. But I would like to see it take this area here. Man, but we missed. I was distracted. This was our real entry up here, man. I called it earlier. But I was trying to see if I could build a bias for a long, and it totally just popped up there and didn't even give me I wouldn't say it didn't give me a chance. Obviously I had a chance if I was paying attention, so I can't make a fucking excuse for it. But yeah, I missed it. I mean, I called it out beforehand, literally did exactly what I wanted. Because remember, our first attempt was here. And then we got this instant rejection. Took it off break even. And I was like, no, I'll wait for up here. And while I was waiting, I was trying to see if this could actually be a reversal point to actually go higher, which this actually still could, by the way. But that's also partially thanks to Eric and partially thanks to TDO and 1034. This area could hold, but I do see this breaking. It may not happen until after the macro. I want the macro to take this, which it already has. It took the body, it didn't take the wick. And this macro ends in about 2 minutes. Get out of your mind. Get out of your mind. Man. We got another little 5-minute guy right here. We played to win the game. All right, that's the end of the macro. thing I want to watch for is really this. To see if it wants to go back up and rebalance this area here. Let me get rid of these. To rebalance that before going lower, possibly even this little guy. Yeah. So we closed below TDO, we're hanging below TDO. Now we need to displace now. So I need this macro to not want to go up here. And we haven't closed below it yet. But the good thing is that the next liquidity level that we could possibly see. It's 461, but we already took that. So 439. Can you deliver us? Deliver. 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 Yeah, am I tempted? Mm-hmm. Yeah, put on another one. I'm trying to almost do like a soup with TDO here to push this lower. Let's see if we can deliver, boys. Can she take us home? Can she take us home? Can she take us home? I wanna go home. Ah. Alright, I'm taking that off. I didn't like that little move there. Yep, I think it wants to go back to get this up here. Hopefully it doesn't want to come get this. Yeah, this guy's on the move. I don't know if it's gonna make. Alright. I don't really want to endure all that drawdown. Because I think the macro is trying to rebalance. Okay. Yeah, no, we realized like another grand there. So we picked up another $2,000 on that trade. Good trade. We gave back by holding that. We gave back about $500, $600. Probably a little more. We had more in that, but we are. Yeah, we're almost break even. Oh man. The question now is, does it want this 530? This is just a run on stops here. So this just stopped everybody that was trying to short that area, like me. I mean, but I shorted it from up here, so I wasn't underwater. But that's where you get like a violent candle like that. Yeah, 100%. Thought about relonging that, 100%. The 3-1. Should have risked it from the bottom. Let's see if we can do a little scalpy here. Back to 3-1. Definitely should have picked it from when it fucking came pull back. And it may pull back again. Get out of your mind. This looks like it wants to go to the 3-1 for sure. If we pull back, I'll add. Come on, give me one of your little wicked buy candles, please. Get out of your mind. Come on, can we make the run? Can we make the run? Let's make the run. Come on, you can do it. 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 Oh, come on, fill it. I'm at 9.75. Fill. Oh my God, fill it for God's sakes. Thank you. All right. I wanted to leave a runner. I did. Because I knew, because they often want to rebalance the box. I always go to the CE of it, but so 3-0. Oh, I guess it was only going to give us another 10 points, but still. Oh, I should have left the runner. Alrighty. Whew. Quite the morning. Way to grind, man. Yeah, you got it too? Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, now they're just going to push it in my face that I didn't leave a runner. They're just going to push it in my face that I didn't leave a runner. Man, another 20 points. I was about to change it, but it came so close. I was just like, well, you know what? If it's not going to hit it, just leave it. We'll get another opportunity to do something. Wow, we still didn't close that hourly after all of that. That's this green box. Wow. Man, look at that son of a bitch run. Wow. Really rubbing it in our face, guys. Really rubbing it in our face. Man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. What a fucking move. What a move. Still didn't take that liquidity. I'm trying to get the 628. What a move, what a move, what a move, what a move. Well, way to battle back. guess the question is really, what is the real draw? I'm gonna try short here. 153 area. I'm gonna keep this one pretty tight. Pretty tight, pretty tight, pretty tight. Did he take that liquidity? Did S take it? S is up at New York. We would need ES to reject New York here. Yes, is not rejecting New York. Oh, nice little, okay, nice little tap there. Nice little tap on New York. Let's see if she can flex on this bounce here. It's looking pretty damn strong. Going right into the teeth of it. Let's see if we can not inverse this 5 minute. So we got this 5 minute, we got New York, we got 953. I mean, not New York, S is at New York. Not, this is a little tough one to get in front of. Also got this 15-minute inverse that basically delivered price lower from here. So we got lots of confluence up here. Oh, come on, give me the inverse. I added too soon. It's gonna make me pay. Yeah, I think I added too soon. I didn't want to, I wanted to get a good average, but that's a bit early because I definitely wanted some size because the RR is pretty good here if this ends up working. Now, we did close over the 5. That's not a good sign. The fact that we did not inverse this little baby busy Makes me think that I definitely added too soon. Yeah, I think I added too soon, guys. No, if you haven't added, don't. I mean, do what you want. Obviously, I just think it's gonna make me pay here. Guess we definitely did not get that. I want to see at least get a close over that. I was anticipating the close. Remember what I said, man, the wicks do all the damage. As soon as I did it and I looked back and I saw, I was like, oh man, they're going to make me pay. But it's still holding those highs for now. Getting a little speedy here. Getting a little speedy. Yeah, I think I just did it too soon. No, if it takes off the top, then I'll take it off. S is pushing. Yeah, this is it's gonna make me pay. Before the ad, my risk was like maybe 300 bucks. Now my risk is gonna be about $1,000 bucks. Now with this size, the reward would have been probably another 4 grand. This would have made the day here. But I think I added too soon. Let's see. It's trying to hold. Yeah, no, it did inverse. So I was looking for hopefully some sort of immediate reclaim from the 5. Yeah, it's pretty volatile, man. How do I manage it? Well, number one, like I told you, like I don't necessarily like to think about my P&L when I'm trading it. Like I kind of clock it afterwards, but I never look at my total P&L till like at the end of the day. Like I see, obviously I put this here for you guys, so obviously I am tracking, and I also have it on my screen, so I'm tracking for the most part, but like total P&L, I try to stay away from that because I want to focus on the process of the trade, not the result. So we got the close, so we're getting some sort of reclaim here on the 5. We got another 5 seconds left here. It's definitely starting to work. We could have some decent headwind here. Get out of your mind. Get out of your mind. Alright, so I'm going to put my stop break even here. Other than that, I'm going to let this work. See if we can make a day. We got a big 5-minute busy here. some work to do if this is going to work. But that's why we're break even here, because this could come right back up the way the volatility is and the way these candles are. But I'm definitely not going to put on, you know, if it comes back and gets me, it comes back and gets me. Break even. It might still work. I don't really want to fight that. Yeah, I'm gonna chill. This might be ahead of the 631. That's just pushing again. Yep. All right. Good break even trade. Look at this, man. This is nuts. Look at this. This is the volatility, man. This is crazy. That's 70 points in 3 minutes. Not even 3 minutes. Almost 3 minutes. That's crazy. It's crazy, man. It's just crazy. Damn, man. We'll be looking at New York Open. Well, we are into the 15 for sure. This is again the same place that we sent price from. I still kind of think this is almost like a form of manipulation to run up to come down. Now, the only thing that goes against that is that we didn't really take this liquidity. So this did tap that 29.31 area that I was talking about. So it did get there. She's really kind of calling me here. That was a nasty little inducement, man. If that was inducement, that was nasty here. Ah! All right, we'll try it. We got an inverse here. Still hanging around this fucking 5 minute. Still hanging around the 5 minute. Man, volatility just amounts, man, it's crazy. No, I think it's great. Look, you just gotta have your fucking head screwed on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, I can tell you, I'm sure people have completely screwed up accounts. Like, 100%. We got the 1150 macro on deck. All right, I'm gonna take it off break even here. I almost want to flip because this is really looking bullish. That's holding. I think, yeah. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Just because of structure. So we got an inversion here on the 5. We got another one. No, we didn't inverse. That was already inverse. We got a big 5 minute here. Very bullish. This, I don't know if this really wants to deliver. I thought this could be an inducement. And it, you know, like I said, the short could work. I guess maybe the only thing is I don't really... We're about to go into the macro here in about 5 minutes. I was going to wait to see how the macro started. But you could certainly make a case for a long down here, even down into here. Yeah, I just kind of talked myself into it. Because I don't like shorting going into the macro. Let's see. Oh man, I was gonna say, let's see if we can close over here. If we close over there, close over this, I would consider an add. A draw. 678. See if the macro wants to push us up there, is what I'm thinking. Yeah, we got a couple minutes for the macro here. 30 seconds here. Man, this SIBI is really resisting, which is actually BPR, because you got a busy here and you got a SIBI here. I'm thinking about so macro is about to start 30 seconds. Yeah, I'm contemplating taking this off. Just because macro likes to do a little fake, a little shake. All right. Here is the macro. So S is more and more looking like it's rejecting New York here. We can't close above this. I'm going to take this off. Let's see. So we got an inverse here. We're rejecting the SIBI. I'm still, yeah. The fact I was hoping that we could use this and push up and close over this and then continue higher, but the fact that we are not closing above this here and we're not even tapping into that makes me think it's a short. The macro had me hesitant if it wasn't a short. but the macro seems almost to be flowing with it so far. Now we're only, you know, 2 candles in, but yeah, no, I mean, I just don't have a real draw. Like if I would have got that, I would have got more secure in the long because this is a good long area to long from, you know, RR wise, but this really looks heavy. But it's not displacing as of yet, so this is still technically decent area for longs here, but I think it's a short. I mean, I thought it was a short from the whole time. With yeah, I think we missed it. I think we missed it. Damn, man. Yeah, I was a little shocked. I didn't know what the macro was gonna do. And then by the time it decided to run, it's gone without me. Retracing to the CE of that 5. Bum, 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 bum. So yeah, we took a few trades there. I mean, we didn't deliver the first time. We had about $1,000 in our pocket. Came back break even. Started the short again. Took it off break even. Even this one, even when we started the long, we basically took that one off break even. Yeah, because I guess you could almost say, like, especially like now that it's not the open, but if I'm reading structure right, I would want it to work. Like even when I took this long, I would want that long to work, but it kept rejecting this area, this BPR up here, and then it wasn't even really testing this area. It tested it one time, so that's what made me take the long off. But I mean, we could still get shorts if we can close below here for targeting lows. Push down, close over for higher. This is looking longish. Yeah, this could totally dump right back in my face here. But if we're not going to go for these lows right now, then I think we want to go higher. But I could be wrong. I like this structure here. Along with the CE of the 5. Yep, took it off. I don't like, well, I guess it didn't really close it, but I mean, she just went in our face. All right, it's 12 o'clock. So I kind of did a little bit of a reclaim here, so that's kind of why I started this again. "30 seconds left here. Nope. Nope. Okay. No, because it held. Figured I'd give it another shot with small risk. If it ended up completely reclaiming this, I would add to it. But the fact that it kicked it out. But I mean, the volatility is just so. It just comes out of nowhere. And then all of a sudden it's like, you're at 90. Okay, now a minute later we're at 50. And that is literally what happened to me there. And look at this, it's still trying to hold here. Still trying to fucking, man, it's like teasing me. Man, this thing is dirty. Dirty. Yeah, I'm thinking about an ad. God, I really don't want to ad. Man, this macro isn't really giving me a setup that I want. Man, this is something, huh? Good Lord. Oh, wow. I mean, do you guys see that? Man, that is something. What a fucking candle. All right, I'm going to add here, and I'm going to stop right above here. This is not, I mean, it's not looking good. So I'm going to put some size on here. If we can get a down move here, great. And it hold, great. Hopefully, I'm thinking this might be inducement here because this area is still holding. But this isn't really looking like this, like any kind of A plus setup here. This is a pretty volatile shit. What time is that? 11:07, so 11:10. I'm gonna take some at 529. All right. Fill it. Okay, got filled. Break even stomp on the rest. 1210 is about to print. Respecting 1121. This could definitely go higher. Nice little trade. Let's just see what's about to happen next. Yeah, I feel like I should actually take this off right here. 1121 just, it's 1121's holding. I just think this could deliver it higher from here. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and take it. Well, this is an untapped busy right here. We got 1121 holding. The 1210 candle just printed and tapped there. Looking like it wants to go lower, we'll see. I don't know. I guess I should have kept the run around, I guess, but I still. Yeah, got to 60%. So there's a fair amount of confluence here for some sort of reversal. But it could very much still continue to sell off here. nothing really here set up for this sweep of this macro to go higher. We did make a candle close. Where's the next level of liquidity? We could say it's here, or we could say it's here. You know, I am. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break here. I might be done for the day. Actually, it's been. We worked our way back. And I don't want to. I dug myself out of the hole, and I don't want to dig a new hole, especially off of the bonehead mistake that I made this morning. So we recovered that. That's good. And, you know, we're getting into the PM session. So, yeah, it's kind of where I'm at. Yeah, I'm going to grab a bite to eat. All right. I'll see you guys in a bit.